Yeah, continue the same class. Yeah, step 2. Step 1 you can understood neatly.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the rough diagram is the rough sketch of triangle is over, and next is the step to draw a line segments. AB of length is the 4 centimeters of length, and next is the step 3. Draw a one ray, AX ray. Okay na? You are using the protractor, you can right angle triangle. That is the mark of at a point. You can draw a 90 degrees only. Okay, Gagan Sai?
Okay.
Right angle triangle. So that's why is the 90 degrees mark with you using protractor. You can mark with 90 degrees. You can draw a one ray, and that is that AX ray at point A and perpendicular to the AB. Next is the step 4. Draw an arc B. That is the using the ruler with the radius of using the ruler and 5 centimeters with the radius is the 5 centimeters. Using compass and take the compass and draw the one arc from B. From B one arc here it is. So that's why is the both are the intersecting with each other's. AX ray and at point both are arc and both are intersecting with the at point C only. Next is the step 5 is the joining of B comma C. Joining of B comma C, that is the with the radius is the 5 centimeters. So that's why this is the 90 degrees of at angle A, and this is that to get the required triangle of constructed triangle ABC is ready. This is the example problem with the can understood. This is the hypotenuse only. Okay, hypotenuse. This is the this side is the opposite side to the right angle triangle only. So that's why this is the hypotenuse only. Okay, this is a new word of this one only. So that's why this example is over. Next we will start the exercise 4, all problems and solutions. Today we will learn in this one only. Okay, Gagan sir, you can understood Gagan sir neatly. Example, throw one examples you can understood of this one. If you any doubts, all are the 5 steps. Be careful. You can listen one by one, step by step. I can draw the triangle only. Yeah. Next, you can goes to the what's one? Yeah. Next, exercise 4. Today we learn the all problems and solutions. Our page number is the 190. Okay. Listen better neatly. Yeah. First of all, I read it. First problem. Construct a right angle ABC such that angle of B equal to 90 degrees, AB equal to 8 centimeters and AC equal to 10 centimeters only. So using this method based on that today topic. So that's why you can very easily same steps of our previous pages, same steps only. First step by step. You can here it is that solution. I started the solutions. Gagan sai page number is the 190. Okay, first one you can first solution start the given data. You can write down the given problem. You can write down the given data. Here it is ABC triangle of the ABC and angle of B equal to 90 degrees and AB length and AC length. You can all are you can write it only. So next is the step already. Steps is already write this one only. A step with the step you will learn this problem only. All are the problems with steps you will learn it only. So first one is the step 1. You can draw a rough sketch of the right angle triangle and label it with the given measurements. What is the first one? You can draw the one line segments, that is the AB. First problem, be carefully Gagan sai, but you are explaining in our notebook only, so that's why I can be carefully listen better. AB length is already given in the given problem, that is the 8 centimeters only. So okay, you can understood Gagan sai. Next is the right angle is that angle of A is the right angle only. Angle of B is the 90 degrees only. Angle of B is the 90 degrees, so that's why you can is the using the this is the draw only a rough sketch of that only drawing here only. But here this is the 90 degrees of that right angle triangle at angle of B is the 90 degrees, that is the BY ray, and this is the perpendicular to AB only. So that's why you can is the another one is that AC is also there, and from AC you can draw an arc 10 centimeters with the radius is the 10 centimeters one arc here it is, and you can and next last step is the joining of A comma C. Here meet at one intersecting with both are each others, then meet at one point C only. You can understand, I can say. After lastly, you can finally, A comma C is the joining of the A comma C. This is the also with the radius is the 10 centimeters only. Okay. This is the rough sketch of that diagram. Figure only. Next triangle. Figure triangle diagram. Anything. But your next can continue that the step by step. Draw the triangle only. Yeah. First one. First is the, what is the step 2 is the draw a line segments. Draw a line segments with the, what's the AB length? AB length is already given here it is. So that's why the AB length is the 8 centimeters only. AB length is the 8 centimeters. You can using the ruler. Gagan sai be carefully measuring that very be carefully Gagan sai. This is the AB length 8 centimeters. A comma B. That is the 8 centimeters only. Next is the step 3. Draw a ray BX. BX ray perpendicular to AB at point A. What is the B angle is the 90 degrees only. So that's why using the protractor mark the 90 degrees only. Angle of B. Angle of B is the 90 degrees. Ulta falta Gagan sai, but here no confusing. Here it is that 90 degrees. Mark the 90 degrees. And next is the draw a one ray. That is the BX ray. Okay. BX ray. And draw the 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. That is the perpendicular to AB only. That is the perpendicular to AB at point B only. So that's why this is the over, and next one is the point B. Next is the step 4. Draw one arc from A. What is that compass Gagan sai? Where is compass? Next is the, okay, fourth step is the draw one arc from A. From A. With the radius, what's the radius is the AC radius. AC radius is that 10 centimeters only. So that's why you can first of all using the ruler. It's the measurements of the 10 centimeters only. Okay, Gagan say from A. From A, draw and one arc. One arc. Using with compass, one draw and one arc. You can draw or both are the intersecting with each others. Okay, draw and one arc with radius intersecting the BX at point C only. So that's why you can after lot step 5 is the joining of A comma C. Joining of the A comma C. So this is the 10 centimeters only. So that's why it's joining of the A comma C joining. This is the 10 centimeters with the 10 centimeters is, yeah, this is the constructed triangle of ABC is ready. This is the it's over of this one only. Gagan sai, you can understood Gagan sai. This is a problem solution. First problem solution you can understood. Shall I go straight? This is the hypotenuse only. Yeah, next one is the second problem. You can understood Gagan say neatly. Yeah, next is the second problem. Construct triangle of PQR right angle at R. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeters and one of its adjacent sides is 4 centimeters only. So be carefully, right angle is the R only. Hypotenuse is the opposite side of the right angle only. So that's why you can one of its the adjacent side. One side is already given. So that's why you can be carefully or same steps you can follow the same steps only Gagan say neatly. But your triangle is the different name of the triangle, that is the PQR triangle. So that's why you can one by one you can solution given. First of all you can given data you can write down in our given problem only. What is the given data? Triangle of PQR given, and the angle of R is also 90 degrees only. So that's why you can, one is the adjacent side, one is the adjacent side, QR is the one adjacent side is the 4 centimeters. So is already given here given problem 4 centimeters, and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the right angle. Okay, right side of the opposite side to the right angle only. So that's why is the PQ. PQ is the 5 centimeters. The hypotenuse is the 5 centimeters only. You can understand Gagan Sai. First step you can write down the given data. Next is the step 1. What's the step 1? Rough sketch only. Draw a rough sketch of the right angle triangle and label it with the given measurements. What is the first one? Draw here it is Gagan Sai. Neatly be careful. You can draw here it is. Yeah, first one is the QR only. Q comma R, that is the 4 centimeters. Okay. Next is the angle of R. Angle of R is a 90 degrees only. Rough sketch only. This is the rough sketch. Gagan Sai, be carefully listen better. This is the Y only. Okay. RY. This is the 90 degrees perpendicular to the QR. Okay. Next one is the another hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the what's the hypotenuse is the measurements 5 centimeters only. From Q you can draw the one arc. So that's why you can draw here it is, and one arc that is the intersecting with the each others at point P only. Okay. After later you can joining the Q comma P using with the ruler. So that's why you can this is the 5 centimeters only. You can understand Gagan Sai neatly. Be careful. Are you okay? Are you understood Gagan Sai? This one rough sketch you can it's over, and next one you can step by step you can learn this problem solution. Next is the step 2. Draw a line segments. What is the line segment? Is the 4. First one you can draw the line segments 4 only. 4 centimeters using with the ruler. Here Q comma R. Next one is the angle of R equal to 90 degrees. So that's why you can using the protractor. Angle of R equal to 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Mark here it is the 1 point, and you can after later you can draw the ray. Draw a ray or Y. RY ray. One draw a on RY ray perpendicular to the base QR. Okay, at point R. You can understand Gagan Sai neatly at point R. Next one is the using with draw and one arc from Q. One arc from Q and with the radius is the 5 centimeters only. So that's why you can take the compass and using the ruler and take the measurements 5 centimeters. Be careful, take the measurements from Q, one arc. You can cut the one arc. Yeah, that is also intersecting with that QY, RY intersecting at point P only. So that's why you can last step is the step 5 is the joining of the Q comma P. Joining of the Q comma P, and this is the 5 centimeters only. You can understand Gagan Sai neatly. Yeah, this is the to get the required triangle of PQR is ready. You can understand of this one Gagan Sai neatly. Yeah, this is that 4 centimeters of base only QR. Next year this problem is also over. This is the adjacent side. One adjacent side is the 4 centimeters only. This is the hypotenuse only. But don't confuse that what is the hypotenuse. But yeah, you don't know. But yeah, don't confuse only. This is the this side is opposite side right angle only. Opposite side of the right angle. That is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse only. But okay, Gagan Sai neatly understood. This is the adjacent side only. This is the R is the right angle only. This is the over of this one. This solution is also over. Next is the last problem in this exercise. Third problem only. First of all, I read in our textbook. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle of XYZ in which angle of Y equal to 90 degrees and the two sides are 5 centimeters each. Here it is that what's isosceles right angled. Isosceles means is the words are two sides and two angles are equal. One angle is the 90 degrees only. So that's why you can isosceles of right angle. Yesterday is also when you are finishing this problem only same. Okay, you can understood again say isosceles means is the two angles is the equal, two sides is also equal, one is the right angle only. So that's why that is the isosceles of right angle xyz only. You can by step you can both sides is also 5 centimeters of each. Step by step you can learn this one on our notebook. This is the last problem solution. Gagan say be carefully listen better. What is the first solution? You can what's the right it here, it is given data, you can write down the given problem. So that's why you can is the first of all xyz is the given data, you can write it. Angle of y is also given here, it is 90 degrees, and you can both sides are, two sides are 5 centimeters each one only. What is the sides is the one side is the xy only, another side is the adjacent sides, another side is also yz is also 5 centimeters. So these all are is then given data, you can write down only. Next one is the stepwise. You can learn with the stepwise. Already steps you can write down here it is. So that's why you can stepwise, you can be carefully listen better neatly. You can learn it only in this problem. Step 1 is the rough sketch of the right angle triangle and label it with the given measurements. First of all, you can draw the one only x comma y. Or you listen better neatly. What is the measurements? X, y is the both are the 5 centimeters. Say 5 centimeters of that one only. And next one is the y angle is all y is the y angle, and a given problem is the 90 degrees of that. In textbook is also 90 degrees. Bangara 90 degrees. Are you okay? YO ray are perpendicular to the xy only. Perpendicular to the xy at point is the y only 90 degrees. So that's why this is that over. And next is the step 4. Draw and one arc. Draw and one arc from y. With the radius is the 5 centimeters only. So that's why is the arc is the 5 centimeters. Same measurements of this one is also, this side is also, both sides is also equal. So that's why is the, this is also, you cut the ray. So that's why that is the 5 centimeters with the radius is the 5 centimeters only. So that's why after last step is the both are intersecting with the YO at point Z. This is the intersecting point is the Z only. X, Y, Z. Last one is finally conjoining of the X comma Z. We will get the required triangle X, Y, Z is ready. Okay, you can understand neatly. Your rough sketch is over. Next you can draw the neatly. Step by step neatly. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Yeah, first one is the draw a line segments. That is the 5 centimeters on. Draw a line segments using with the ruler. Draw a 5 centimeters of draw a x comma y. 5 centimeters only. Yeah, it's over. Line segments is over. Next is the step 3. Draw an ray. YO ray. Use y is the angle is the 90 degrees already given in the given problem. So that's why is the y is the 90 degrees. Using with the protractor, you can draw the mark using with the protractor 90 degrees. After later you can draw the one ray. That is the ray is the YO ray. Okay, YO ray. YO ray is this is the 90 degrees perpendicular to that XY. Base is the XY, perpendicular to XY at point is the Y only. So that's why next step is the step 4. Draw and one arc. What is that one arc is the already given centimeters is the both sides is all the same sides only, same lengths only. So that's why is the 5 centimeters of the length. We are taking the compass and using with the ruler and take the measurements 5 centimeters, same centimeters with the same are from Y. But don't confusing that the x. Don't start that the x. Why? Because both sides are same sides only. So that's why you can from the y you can draw the one arc, cut the ray. That is also same sides 5 centimeters only. This is the 5 centimeters. You can understand. I can say both are that are intersecting with the YO and can at point Z. Both are the intersecting with both one only. Arc and plus can raise both are the intersecting with the one point is the Z only. After later is the 5 step. Step 5 is the joining of the x comma Z. Are you understood Gagan say neatly? X comma Z, this is the hypotenuse only. You get that the XYZ triangle of XYZ, it's ready. You can understood of this one Gagan say problem. You can understood of this lower problem. If you have any doubts, you ask me Gagan say neatly. Both sides one right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse only. You can understood Gagan say isosceles of the triangle is only. This is that all our problems and solutions today. Your class all problems and solutions is over Gagan say neatly. Be carefully, but your no more any questions is not there only. So that's why I can finishing this one only. So that's why therefore exercise 9.3 all problems and solutions is completed. If you any doubts, you ask me. All are the three problems or only are three problems are there in your exercise Gagan say? Are you understood of the three problems? Yeah, if you any doubts, you ask me. Be carefully, you can listening at home, you can practice it. These all are the problems. Be carefully are using with all are that geometry box instruments. So that's why I can. This is the notes for your today notes. Yeah, this is that exercise. Yeah, 4. Okay. Yeah, today is a mathematics class is also over. Gagan say thank you. Have a nice day, my dear Gagan say bye bye.
Bye.